Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit bar chart in Google Docs. This is my bar chart. I edit this. Click on this chart and click on the three dot option. Here you will find this open source. Click here. A new sheet already open. Google Sheet. Now I edit this chart. First I will edit this chart data. I will click here new data and see this data already added here. Also you can add a new series. Also you can add a new team. You can delete new team. Also you can delete here this series. Make it 400 and see this. Now double click on this chart. Open chart properties. This is customization option and click chart style. Here you can say chart background color. See this. I'll choose none and chart border color. This one. I'll choose this one. And this chart axis and title. This chart title. You can make it italic, bold. Also you can align it right. And this middle. Also you can change first title color. See this. And series. Select here. Here you can change a specific series color. And choose this fish series color, field color. And this is the red color. And see this red color added. Choose this one. Also you can change line, style, dash. So and also you can add a data label, and see this data label showing here. Now select legend option. Legend means this theory is legend. You can make this legend bold, and this is bold. And legend position you can make it bottom, and see this bottom. And put it top. And horizontal axis. You can make it bold. This is axis, italic, and bold. And vertical axis. This one vertical axis. You can make it bold. Also you can see text color. And also you can make it reverse axis order series. And grid line and TX. Measure tick and series. And line thickness you can choose 8 series and uncheck. In this way, now select setup option. Here you can delete any series. Also you can convert this series at columns are and see this and undo. Also you can make it line chart. See this. And finally go docs document and select your update. And see this are already update. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.